Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we have a very important question for you pertaining to the ones that we see in test of mathematics. So having said that, let's take a look at the question in hand. The line x to y is tangent at 0, 0 to a circle of radius 1. So the center of the circle is at 1, 0, either at 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2. Either at 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 and none of the following. So what our intention would be to simply take a look at all these questions, this kind of question, and also identify how to go about with the same. So having said that, let's try and solve this question at hand. So here, say the center be, let center be say h comma k. Okay. So therefore, it's given the radius is 1, so h square plus k square equal to 1. Okay. And also h minus k by root 2 is 1. So which can be further written as h minus k whole square equal to 2. On the right, h square plus k square minus twice h k equal to 2. So h square plus k square, this will be 1, those 2hk will simply be equal to minus 1. Sorry, 2hk will be equal to minus 1, so hk can be written minus 1 by 2 and k can be written as minus 1 by 2h. Okay. Now putting this value in the equation, say this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so putting 2 in 1, we have h square minus 1 by 4h square, or minus minus plus, okay, equal to 1. So therefore 5h square just give me a second. Okay, k square, right? 4. Okay, sorry, my bad guys. The representation of the same. Hang on. Here k will be minus 1 by twice h. Okay, and this is 2. So now if I put this 2 in equation 1, then I have h square plus 1 by 4 h square equal to 1. So it comes out to be 4 h to the power 4 minus 4h square plus 1 equal to 0. So this, if we further solve, what we can write is 2, so this we can write as 2h square whole square minus 2 into twice h square plus 1 square equal to 0. So we can actually, this is again in the form of a minus b whole square. So a being twice h square and b being 1 whole square equal to 0. So therefore twice h square minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore h equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. So therefore centers can be either 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2 and plus 1 by root 2. Okay, so this is the center. For each value of h, we determine the value of k. Okay, so if we take a look, then we have option C as our answer. So again, I hope the process we have taken to solve this is clear to you. It was again a fairly simple question. All we had to do was just determine, go about and denote each and every center and just apply the formula to get the same. So in case you have any difficulty, I suggest you go through the video as many times as you feel comfortable enough to have understood the entire concept of the thing. And having said that, try to solve this question on your own with the videos and reference. So with all that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And having said that, I'd like to wind up the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.